Leapfrog Crypto here. Just a quick reminder, all the content here is purely educational, showing you how I use bots in crypto trading. This isn't financial advice, I'm simply sharing my experiences and strategies. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Happy trading! Technical analysis provides a powerful toolkit to analyze price movements and make informed trading decisions. Let's quickly review the essentials. Support and resistance. These are key levels where prices often reverse or stall out. Moving averages smooth out price data to reveal trends and reversals. Trend lines highlight market direction and breakout opportunities. Gann Fans use diagonal angles to predict future price movements. Elliott Wave Theory. Analyze 5-wave trends and 3-wave corrections to anticipate market shifts. Bollinger Bands. Spot overbought or oversold conditions using volatility bands. Fibonacci Retracement. Identify potential reversal zones using key ratios. Harmonic Patterns. Use Fibonacci-based patterns like Gartley and Butterfly for precise trend forecasts. Ichimoku Cloud, a comprehensive tool for trends, momentum, and support resistance. Classic patterns recognize setups like head and shoulders, cup and handle, and inverted head and shoulders. Wyckoff trading ranges, understand bullish and bearish market phases. Mastering these tools can transform your trading strategy. Thanks for watching and happy trading.